my class of cyber security. Today we will learn about security services and network security model. Different security services are confidentiality, protection from passive attack, authentication. You are who you say you are. It means the sender is some intruder is not the sender. It means there is a sender is genuine. That means source and destination both are accessible, or both are they are not intruder, they are the intended source and intended destination. Integrity, received as sent, no modification, insertion, shuffling or replace. That is the integrity. Non-repudiation, can't deny a message was sent or received. Access control, ability to limit and control access to host system and apps. Availability, attacks affecting loss or reduction on availability. Now we will learn network security model. The network security involves all tools, devices, strategies and activities which enterprises and organizations undertake to protect their network, data and operation. An effective security strategy must include the most effective set of tools for identification and reflection of various threats and attack. Creation of well thought out network security model will effectively help in realization of network security. Network security model is a scheme that reflects the general plan and the policy of ensuring the network security, and usually includes all or some of the 7 layers in different modifications. Actually 7 layers are present in this network security model. We can say that message is sent from sender to receiver, secret information is received and sent from both sender and receiver. So the role of physical layer is involves organization of physical security against the access to the data on computer devices. This can be access control devices, cameras, alarm. VLAN layer involves creation of virtual local area network which join together common host for security purpose. ACL layer supports creation and maintenance of ACL which allow or deny the access between hosts on different network. Software layer helps to protect the user layer and ensures the software actuality. User layer involves the user's training of security on the network. Administrative layer supposes the training of administrative users. IT department layer. This layer is the most important for network security. It contains all network security professional and supports specialists, network technician and architects which organize and maintain the work of network and host. Now we learn about security threat. It is defined as a risk that which can potentially harm computer system and organization. The cause could be physical, such as someone stealing a computer that contains vital data. The cause could also be non-physical, such as virus attack. Cybersecurity threat is a malicious act that seeks to damage data, steal data, or disrupt digital life in general. Actually, a threat refers to a new or newly discovered incident that has the potential to harm a system or company overall. Basically, there are three types of threat: natural threats such as flood, hurricanes, tornadoes; unintentional threats like an employee mistakenly accessing the wrong information; intentional threats such as spyware, malware, adware companies, or the actions of disgruntled employee. Worms and viruses are categorized as threat because they could cause harm to organization through exposure to an automated attack as opposed to one perpetrated by humans. Cybercriminals are constantly coming up with creative new ways to compromise our data. These threats may be uncontrollable and often difficult or impossible to identify in advance. Now we will learn about asset. What is an asset? In information security, computer security and network security, an asset is any data, device, or other component. It can be, we can define it as data, device, or other component of the environment that support information related activities. Assets generally include hardware, software, and confidential information. Access should be protected from illegal access, use, disclosure, alteration, destruction, or theft resulting in loss to the organization. Now we will learn about vulnerability. What is vulnerability? In cyber security, a vulnerability can be defined as weakness of an asset that can be exploited by one or more attackers. In other words, it is known issue that allows an attack to succeed. For example, when a team member resigns and we forget to disable their access to external account, change login, or remove their name from company credit card, this leaves our business open to both intentional and unintentional threat. However, most vulnerabilities are exploited by automated attacker and not a human typing on the other side of network. Testing for vulnerabilities is critical to ensuring the continued security of system. By identifying weak point, we can develop a strategy for quick response. Actually, some question need to be asked when determining the security vulnerability. Is our data backed up and stored in a secure offsite location? Is our data stored in the cloud? If yes, how exactly it is being protected from cloud vulnerabilities? What kind of network security do you have to determine who can access, modify, or delete information from within your organization? What kind of antivirus protection is in use? Are the licenses current? Is it running as often as needed? Do we have a data recovery plan in the event of vulnerability being exploited. Understanding the vulnerability is the first step in managing a risk. It is possible for network personnel and computer user to protect computer from vulnerability by regularly updating software security patches. These patches are capable of solving flaws or security holes found in the initial release. Network personnel and computer users should also stay informed about current vulnerabilities in the software they use and look out for ways to protect against them. This is the diagram of network vulnerability. You can see in detail. Unpatched operating system and application, lack of patch management, unmanned mobile devices, laptop, smartphone, tablet, all of them are vulnerable. Poorly configured and outdated firewall rule, weak or default password, insiders privilege misuse like USB drive, print screen, optical media, etc. Now, common computer security vulnerabilities: bugs, weak password, software that is already infected with virus, missing data encryption, OS command injection, SQL injection, buffer overflow, missing authorization, use of broken algorithm, URL redirection to untrusted sites, path traversal, missing authentication for critical function, unrestricted upload of dangerous file types, dependence on untrusted input in a security decision, cross-site scripting of cross-site scripting and forgery, download of codes without integrity checks. This is the diagram. Threat, access and vulnerability together consist of risk. Risk is defined as the potential for loss or damage when a threat exploits a vulnerability. Example of risk include financial losses, loss of privacy, reputational damage, legal implication, and even loss of life. Risk can also be defined as threat into vulnerability. Reduce your potential for risk by creating and implementing a risk management plan. This is the more about risk. Cybersecurity risk is the probability of exposure or loss resulting from a cyber attack or data breach on our organization. A better, more encompassing definition is the potential loss or harm related to technical infrastructure, use of technology, or reputation of an organization. Organizations are becoming more vulnerable to cyber threats due to the increasing reliance on computers, networks program, social media and data globally. Data breaches, a common cyber attack, have massive negative business impact and often arise from insufficiently protected data. This is the diagram of risk management. Identify and analyze exposure. Examine risk management technique. Selection of risk management technique is also very important. So we should select risk management technique very carefully, implement techniques, monitor results. These are risk management techniques. Thank you for watching. Hope you have understood.